In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive to Excel. If you've ever needed to get your contacts and organization details into a spreadsheet, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step in just a few minutes. So, let's dive in right away. First things first, you need to navigate to the Pipedrive website. You can find it by searching Pipedrive in your browser, or go directly to their website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that, and you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a simple recovery process you can follow. Once you're logged into your Pipedrive account, you'll land on the Pipedrive homepage. Here, you'll see a variety of options to manage your sales activities, but today, we're focused on exporting data. So, to start, you want to click on the Contacts tab. This section houses all your contacts, deals, and organizations that you've been managing within Pipedrive. You'll now see a new page with further options. Here, we'll be focusing on the Organizations section. So, go ahead and click on Organizations. This is where Pipedrive lists all the organizations that have been recorded in your system, along with the relevant data tied to each one. Next, what you'll want to do is make sure that the data you're about to export is precisely what you need. To do this, utilize the Highlight feature. This feature allows you to create focus areas, making sure that the data you're ready to extract is correct and up to date. A simple click on Highlight will enable you to refine the information you're focusing on within the organizations list. Now that you have your data highlighted and ready, it's time to export those filter results. Located usually on the same page, you'll find an option labeled Export Filter Results. Once you click on that, a new menu will pop up, leading us to our final step: choosing the file format for your export. For Excel, we need to ensure we pick the right file format. Click on the Choose File Format for Export option, and from the list available, you'll typically see formats like CSV or XLSX. Both can be opened in Excel, but depending on your requirement or company standards, you may prefer one over the other. And that's it. You've successfully prepared and exported your Pipedrive data to Excel. This process is helpful for teams who often need offline access to their data, want to perform advanced data analysis, or need to share information in a spreadsheet format with stakeholders outside their Pipedrive system. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.